In this article, we will delve into the vital importance of vitamin B6, exploring its functions in the body, the consequences of its deficiency, and highlighting foods rich in this nutrient. Health problems caused by lack of vitamin B6. Anemia. Vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in the formation of hemoglobin, the molecule responsible for oxygen transport in the blood. Its deficiency can lead to a decrease in hemoglobin production, resulting in anemia. Neurological disorders. Vitamin B6 is directly involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine. Its deficiency may contribute to neurological disorders, such as depression, anxiety, and concentration problems. Dermatological issues. Vitamin B6 deficiency can cause skin problems such as seborrheic dermatitis, rashes, and lip cracks. Compromised immune system. Vitamin B6 plays a fundamental role in the production of blood cells, including lymphocytes, essential for the immune system. Its absence can compromise immune response. Sleep disorders. The synthesis of melatonin, a hormone crucial for sleep, depends on the adequate presence of vitamin B6. Its deficiency can contribute to sleep disorders such as insomnia, cardiovascular problems. Vitamin B6 is involved in the metabolism of homocysteine, an amino acid whose increase in the blood is associated with cardiovascular issues such as heart disease and strokes. Pregnancy complications. Vitamin B6 deficiency can increase the risk of pregnancy complications, including preeclampsia and premature births. Joint pains and inflammation. Vitamin B6 plays a role in regulating inflammation, and its deficiency can contribute to joint pains and inflammatory conditions. Impaired growth in children. Vitamin B6 deficiency can affect proper growth and development in children, leading to delays in physical and cognitive development. Digestive issues. Vitamin B6 is essential for the proper functioning of the digestive system, and its deficiency can contribute to problems such as nausea, vomiting, and mouth irritations. It is crucial to ensure an adequate intake of vitamin B6 to prevent these health problems. Fortunately, nature provides us with a wide variety of foods rich in this nutrient. We present a table with 20 foods that are excellent natural sources of vitamin B6. These foods not only offer a delicious way to incorporate vitamin B6 into your diet, but also provide a variety of other essential nutrients for health. Vitamin B6 plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, and its absence can have significant impacts on health. It is essential to ensure an adequate intake of this vitamin, either through a balanced diet or, if necessary, through supplementation under professional guidance. By recognizing the importance of vitamin B6 and making conscious dietary choices, we can contribute to the promotion of a healthy and vibrant life.